Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Adib. How was your weekend?
It was great, sir. I finished the homework you gave me.
That's wonderful. Let's hear your story about your favorite day at school.
My favorite day at school was our annual sports day. It started with a big parade. I was in the red team, and we all wore matching t-shirts.
Good start. What happened next?
After the parade, we had many games. I participated in the sack race and won first place.
That's fantastic, Adib. How did the day end?
At the end, we had an award ceremony, and I got a gold medal. It was the best day ever.
Excellent storytelling, Adib. You used a clear beginning, middle, and end. Well done. Today, we're going to talk about asking and answering questions in detail. This is important for conversations.
What kind of questions, sir?
Questions that start with who, what, when, where, why, and how. These help you get more information. Let's practice.
Okay, sir.
I'll ask a question, and you answer in a full sentence. Ready?
Ready, sir.
Who's your best friend?
My best friend is Rafi.
Good. Now, where do you and Rafi play together?
We play together in the park near my house.
Excellent. Let's try a why question. Why do you like playing with Rafi?
I like playing with Rafi because he's kind and funny.
Fantastic, Adib. You're answering with full sentences. Let's play a game. I'll show you a question word, and you'll make a question with it.
That sounds fun, sir.
What question can you make with this?
What is your favorite food?
Great! My favorite food is biryani. Now try this one. Shows a card that says how?
How do you spend your weekends?
Excellent question. I spend my weekends reading books and going for walks. For homework, practice making 5 questions with each of these words. Who, what, when, where, why, and how.
Okay, sir. I'll practice at home.
Good. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Don't forget to answer the questions, too.
I won't, sir. Thank you for the fun lesson.
You're welcome, Adib. See you next class.